Are you still a trial and error mechanic struggling to find faults by blindly replacing parts? Or do you want to become a professional technical officer who understands the scientific logic behind every system? eMind presents a masterclass that goes beyond what the eye can see. By the end of this lesson, you will not just look at a machine, you will see through its logic. Let's explore. How is pressure created and why does it fail? As we learned, a system is divided into 3 units. The pump unit is the heart, the control unit is the brain, and the delivery unit represents the limbs. Every action depends on the harmony between these 3. The 2 most critical factors in any hydraulic system are pressure and speed. If you don't understand the true scientific method of how pressure is created, you will be forced to rely on guessing during a breakdown. But a true technical officer never guesses. He sees the invisible technology through his professional mind. Here is a technical secret. A hydraulic pump never creates pressure. Its only job is to create flow. Pressure is born only when that flow meets resistance. Think of it as a battle. The pump continuously supplies oil, while the task creates a barrier. The forceful effort of the pump to overcome this resistance is what we measure as pressure. A professional must always monitor the 2 ends of pressure, the supply end, where the pump creates flow, and the application end, where the work creates resistance. To build pressure, a circuit must be closed. However, to prevent catastrophe, the control unit must be able to open the circuit when a safety limit is reached. This is done by the relief valve. The diagnosis. Why is there no pressure? When pressure fails, check 2 things. Either the pump is not providing enough flow, or the circuit has an unwanted opening, causing a leakage. When pressure fails, a professional doesn't just name parts, he analyzes the logic. First, he asks, is the flow missing or is the circuit open? Only after identifying the scientific cause does he methodically inspect the pump, the valves, or the cylinder. This systematic observation is the mark of a leader. Those who lack this logic will blindly blame the pump or the relief valve without understanding the why behind the failure. Conclusion: the professional insight. In summary, speed depends on flow, and force depends on resistance. Mastering the relationship between these 2 ends and the control unit is what makes you an expert. Stay focused, stay technical. At eMind, our true mission is not just to teach you hydraulics, but to transform you into a professional technical officer who can see through any system. We provide you with the insight that goes beyond the eyes and straight to the technical mind. Remember, whether you are facing an interview or solving a complex breakdown, if you answer with this level of scientific understanding, you will undoubtedly be recognized as a top-tier professional. We want to hear from you. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Help others grow by sharing this video. Give us a like if you found this valuable, and subscribe to join our journey toward technical mastery. We will see you in the next masterclass. Until then, stay focused and stay technical.